how to add and edit widgets on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to add and widgets on your iPhone, you'll have to just tap and hold onto the lock screen, and then you will see the customize option on the bottom. Tap on it and then tap on lock screen, and there you'll see add widgets option. Tap on it and you can choose the widgets that you want. So now if you want to edit it, you can just do the same process. Tap on the widgets and then you'll see a minus sign on top of every widget. That means you can remove the widget and then you can add in another one. So it's as simple as that. So you can add up to 2 to 3 widgets on your iPhone lock screen and keep changing the widgets according to your wish. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.